Is this the path that the little boy follows in?
Let Papa tell it.
He was gone before the sun had fully stretched, but someone saw him leave. A boy, small, watching from behind the water pot. Curiosity stirred in the child. Barefoot, quiet, he followed, careful not to step on dry leaves. He didn't know where the warrior was going. He only knew he wanted to walk like him, to move like him, to become like him. So he kept following the warrior, one little step after the other, along the quiet path that led into the Kisii forest.